Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody contacted me off one of my videos and asking how you could rearrange your menu bar and your toolbars. Well, get up in your menu bar and right-click your mouse and make sure this is unlocked. So when it has a check mark, it's locked. So just if yours is locked, unlock it. And let's say you want to move the text over to here. All you have to do is hold down the Control and the Alt button and just bring it down in your screen, and then you can drop it. And you'll see a line appear and then leave it. Now, it still left this here. But to get rid of that one, you can just hold down the Alt key and move it out of the way and then exit out. So now my text is over here. Now, I've got two Smart Fill tools, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. And I've just hit the Alt key and let go and it disappeared. Now to put my Smart Fill back, because I use it so often and it kind of looks like the interactive fill tool, hold down the Control and the Alt button and just bring it in, and you'll see a line appear and then just drop it there. Now with all this, I would go to Save as Default, and then it'll save all these settings. And just another, you can check here, and then what I would right click and lock your toolbar. But if you'll check this, it'll show all your tools. And if you don't use some of these tools, like there's that second Smart Fill. If you don't ever use the transparency tool, let's say you never use it, just uncheck it and it goes away. So you don't have any interference with anything. Now, I don't ever use my outline fill tool here. I use it down here, but I'm not going to erase that. So you can check on and off anything. If you don't want your, can't really think of anything you really wouldn't use. I don't pan that much. But all these tools are pretty important or they wouldn't be there. Like Live Sketch or Smart Drawing, I never do them. Now, it's not going to take it away because it's under Drawing Tools, but if we uncheck those and then go to Drawing Tools, those aren't in there. So let's go back and recheck those two, the Live Sketch and the Smart Drawing tool. And then we go to, well, they were underneath there. Let's take them away. Let's go here, because in Corel 19, they moved them down there. Let's take away the Live Sketch and the Smart Drawing tool. Now when you go to Artistic Media, it's only Artistic Media. There's no other tools there. So if you ever do use those, you can always get them back just by checking on them. And then that way it gives you that little arrow telling you there's more tools underneath there. Anyway, I hope that answered his question a little bit, and thank you for watching.